Penis Enlargement Bible Review. Does the Penis Enlargement Bible really work? Can you follow directions? If so, the Penis Enlargement Bible is the no-nonsense way to naturally increase the size of your penis. It's that simple. No pills, no surgery, no crazy methods that don't work. The Penis Enlargement Bible is the real deal. This is natural penis enlargement that works, and over 5,000 men have used this proven system to enhance the size of their penis. We're going to look at this product in depth and explain why every man that's unhappy with his penis size needs to give this product a try. What is the Penis Enlargement Bible? The Penis Enlargement Bible is a guide that covers the best, all-natural techniques that lead to proven penile growth. It's the most complete and effective guide on the market, and these techniques can lead to 2 to 4 inches of length gain. Size, confidence and a massive penis are what this product offers. You have the potential to be a superstar in the bed in as little as 2 months. Trust me, your partner will notice a big difference after you crack open this Bible and follow the techniques inside. Diving into the Bible. What's truly special about this product is you don't have to wait for it to arrive at your door. This is a 94-page guide that is delivered right to your email with a 2-step process that you can follow to have the penis you want. Dr. John Collins created this 2-step method that encompasses biology-based growth. Biology is the essence of you. You're a huge chemical reaction with a bazillion cells running rampant in the body. The cells help with everything from healing to growth, and your body is nothing short of a miracle, with it working on complete autopilot to ensure you're able to breathe, digest food, sleep and even learn. But the one thing that the body does is stop growing. Your brain and muscles can be trained to be enhanced, but there's little you can do to keep growing. Until now, the first part of this program is designed to teach you how to use your body's natural processes to increase the size of your penis. Natural supplements are recommended to help this phase move along so that your body can grow in both size and girth. Exercise growth. The secrets behind the Penis Enlargement Bible are the methods and techniques that show you how to increase penile length naturally. You know those times when you see a guy that's jacked like a Greek god and always wondered why you can't get the same results when you go to the gym? It's all about technique and diet. With the right exercises, dedication and techniques, you can add several inches to your penis length in as little as 8 weeks. And with a 95% customer satisfaction rating, you know that this product is a must-have. Did I tell you about the money-back guarantee yet? If you don't see results or aren't satisfied with the results that you've achieved, you can request a 100% money-back guarantee. That's right, you have 60 days to request your money back. So, you just need to crack open the PDF. It's sent to your email so that you can begin within minutes of your purchase. What are you waiting for? Click the link below to claim your Penis Enlargement Bible discount and add inches to your penis. The exercises are laid out so that they can be followed easily. There's no questions lingering on how to perform a technique. You'll feel confident that you're armed with the information and details to follow each technique perfectly to experience long-lasting gains. I've read countless Penis Enlargement Bible reviews, and I must say I was impressed. People experience massive gains with this product, so I was happy to have it by my side. Initial thoughts. Quick and easy to download. You can download the program to your PC, but I recommend downloading it to your smartphone or tablet. Why? No one wants to advertise to the world that they're trying to make their penis bigger. The techniques need to be performed hands-on, and unless you're a bachelor and no one will see you performing them, it's easier to download them to a mobile device so that you can go somewhere private to perform the techniques. Since the PDF is only 94 pages, you'll be able to read it in 2 to 3 days with minimal effort. Exercises don't provide the most results. Penis Enlargement Bible Secrets. What's interesting is that the supplements you're going to take will allow for penis growth. These supplements work to repair the penis so that the exercises and techniques can propel your results further. Nutrient-rich blood and oxygen support the cells in the penis to expand and heal. The exercises are supplementary, but I suggest everyone work them into their routine. It took just 10 to 20 minutes a day. What the first section of the program offers is a method to kickstart penile growth naturally, and with growth comes healing. 2. This means that penis exercises that break down the muscle are counteracted so that the penis can grow and heal bigger over time. The verdict: a penis to brag about. One thing is certain, this guide works, and depending on your current size should be a no-brainer to your natural male enhancement protocol. You will see results, especially if you add phallus nor size genetics into the mix. I do have one recommendation for anyone: give this product a try, and follow the instructions with precision. You owe it to yourself to have confidence in the bedroom, and a bigger penis is all about confidence and pleasure. You have a 60-day, ironclad guarantee, so take advantage of this offer. I'll even throw in my own personal penis enlargement Bible discount to sweeten the deal further. Click the link below to finally have the penis size you deserve. Buy Penis Enlargement Bible.